It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, hello there Foreign Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, back with another video. Okay, we are on a roll. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the benefits of Himalayan salt, or pink Himalayan salt for skin. It has a lot of great benefits and you can use it in so many different ways. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about that today. If you are not subscribed, take a moment to go ahead and subscribe and join the Informed Beauty fam and like this video. We are almost at 10k subscribers, so let's get there. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start to talk about the benefits of pink Himalayan salt when it comes to your skincare. So if you don't know what pink Himalayan salt is, let's just do it. Okay, so this is pink Himalayan salt. I picked mine up from like my local grocery store. You get quite a bit in here, and it is of a pink consistency. It is, I have some in here, I took some out. It's kind of fine. It's not a real like coarse salt. It's a really fine salt here. So I poured it out so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. And it's a light pink color. I don't know how much of it on the camera is picking up, but it's a very light pink color. So you can find pink Himalayan salt at your local drugstore, your local grocery store. It's pretty easy to find. They do come in different levels, so you can find them like as in like rocks, or more coarser and more finer ones like this. But for skincare purposes, I definitely would suggest getting a finer grain of the pink Himalayan salt. And then I wanted to share with you guys my new baby, my pink Himalayan rock. Is actually a rock, okay? And we'll get into the benefits of pink Himalayan, but this is great to use when you're taking like your baths. I don't put this into my water, but I do place it around my bath. But it's great to have pink Himalayan, like a rock, a crystal near your bath or your area to kind of like cleanse the air, detoxify the energy and all that. But we're going to jump into that in a minute. So now that we know what pink Himalayan salt is and what it is looking like, let's jump into some benefits of the pink Himalayan salt. So the pink Himalayan salt is a great detoxifier. It extracts toxins from your skin and your tissues. It's a very deep detoxifier for the body. It is antimicrobial. It exfoliates, so you can also use this, of course, like any other salt as an exfoliator. It's great to remove any dead skin or any old skin. It softens the skin up a lot. It balances out pH levels of the skin, and it also is great for healing. So it helps to heal the skin, it helps to heal acne and things of that sort. Now, how you would use pink Himalayan salt. Whoa, okay, we just dropped it everywhere. We're gonna put this down. So how would you use pink Himalayan salt now that I'm salted? You can use it for a body scrub. So you can take pink Himalayan salt and you can place let's say like an oil of your choice in there. Let's say jojoba oil in there. You can place a couple of like herbs in there, essential oils in there, and you can use this as an actual body scrub. You can also use it as a bath soak, which is actually one of my favorite ways to use it, in a bath soak. And I will also have a full video talking about it, how I do bath soaks, in a later video, so stay tuned for that. But you can actually take pink Himalayan salt and add it to your bath. It's a great bath soak. And also too, like I said, I take the crystals like these when I am bathing, and I just take the rocks and I put them also like in my area, because it detoxifies the air, the energy, as well as, you know, those like pink Himalayan like lamps. You can also use that and heat it up. I don't know, I never used one of those before, but I heard a lot of people like swear by those. But you can also use the bigger crystals for that. Place them around like your area or your bath. And a bath soak, like I said, is one of my favorite ways to use a pink Himalayan salt because it's very detoxifying. I actually pair mine with a little bit of Epsom salt when I'm taking a bath, and it's amazing. And also you can use it as a scalp exfoliator. So you can actually take some pink Himalayan salt and use it to exfoliate your scalp, especially if you have scalp issues like dandruff and things of that sort. That will just help to loosen up all that the dandruff and to detoxify your scalp. And so yeah, so that's pretty much simple. Those are some simple ways of how you can utilize pink Himalayan salt in your regimen, as well as the benefits of pink Himalayan salt. I feel like a lot of the things that you need for your skincare can be right in your cabinet, right in the grocery store, right in your cabinet. It doesn't have to be super complicated. You have something that's so simple that has a lot of great benefits for the body, for the skin. And so, you know, you just go ahead and buy you, and look, this big thing is going to last me for some time. It doesn't, like, a little bit of the Himalayan salt goes a long way. All right, so with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.